So in batting order, we'll have number 34, Caleb Duffy. He'll be playing at centre field. Number 40, Cole McWilliams, will be catching for the counties team. Number 21, Richard Murray Turue, will be playing over on third. Number 42, Hunter Bailey, will be DP. Number 44, Jackson Tapiki, will be playing out at shortstop. Number 6, Presley Martin, will be playing left field. Pitching today for the counties team will be Makaira Kingi Hicks, and then number 41, Corey Keeper, will be out at right field. Number 37, Tamihana Star, will be playing at first, and 31, Lucian Cole, will be on second. Subs today for the counties team will be number 29, Valen Tapiki, number 11, Lucas Gibbons, and number 66, Nate Murray. Matthew Hicks coaching that group there. For the North Harbour side, through the lineup here, we will have number 3, Paola Cooper Nicola, playing out at third. Number 37, Will Singer, playing centre field. DP today will be 29, Zach Adkins. Number 9, Xavier Haddon, playing right field. 25, Tangaroa King, will be left field. 13, Jaden Tapsell, will be at shortstop. Catching today will be number 30, Demetrius Senth. 33, Noah Reid, playing first. Tamatea Mātātai Hiko Smith will be on second, and pitching today for North Harbour will be 15, Keegan Maguire. Subs for North Harbour will be 34, Morgan Natana Waiongi. Number 1, Jackson Gerbies. Number 18, Kyle Tonkin. Number 12, Cooper Watson. Number 81, Wairangi Hoani. And coaching the North Harbour group is Marty Cannon. So should be getting going here pretty soon, just waiting on the Blues. I'm sure they're getting everything organised and sorted. And the grand final will begin very soon. So again, counties will be batting first. Their first 3 up is Caleb Duffy, Cole McWilliams, and Richard Murray Turue. And then pitching and catching on this other side will be Keegan Maguire and Demetrius Santh. So it should be getting going here pretty soon. Blues are making their way onto the diamond for this grand final matchup between counties and North Harbour. Again, counties will be batting first and North Harbour fielding first.
Noah Reid, Tamatea Matatai Hiko Smith, Morgan Nātana Wihongi, Jackson Gerbies, Kyle Tonkin, Cooper Watson, Wairangi Koane, and they are joined by their management team of Tegan Edward, Marty Cannon, Eru Drage, Tyrone Crew, and Kush Stowers. And introduced to Counties Manukau this afternoon, Caleb Dufty, Cole McWilliams, Richard Murray Terure, Hunter Bailey, Lucian Cole, Jackson Torpiki, Presley Martin, Mikaira Kingi Hicks, Corey Keeper, Tamihana Stall, Valen Torpiki, Lucas Gibbons, Nate Murray, and they are joined by their management team of Renee Murray, Matthew Hicks, Taiki Apu, and Tracy Broughton. Introducing our umpires for this fixture. On plate we have Ross Emerson, on bases Matthew Ogier, Ricky Thompson, and Alexander Black, and our official scorer this afternoon, Sarah Monahan. Ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding for the national anthem.
Sweet, time to get going here. National anthem called, line-up's been said, so now it's time for the ball game to begin. It's a fantastic day. So we've got a matchup here today for the grand final. So just going back over the lineup. So Counties Manukau will be batting first in batting order. Number 34, Caleb Dufty, playing centre field. Cole McWilliams catching. Richard Murray Terure playing out at third. Hunter Bailey will be the DP today. Number 44, Jackson Tapki will be playing at shortstop. Number 6, Presley Martin will be playing at left field. Makaira Kingi Hicks will be pitching. Corey Keeper will be playing out at right. Tamihana Star at first and Lucian Cole out at second. For North Harbour, they will be fielding first. Number 3, Paola Kupa Nicola will be at third. Will Singer will be at centre field. 29, Zach Atkins will be DP today for them. Number 9, Xavier Haddon playing position 9 in centre field. 25, Tangaroa King will be in left field. 13, Jaden Tapsell will be shortstop. Number 30, Demetrius Santh will be playing position 2, catcher. 33, Noah Reid playing position 3. Number 5, Tamatea Mātātai Hiko Smith will be second base, and pitching today for the North Harbour team will be 15, Keegan Maguire.
Won the toss and opted to field, so introducing the defensive lineup for Harbour this afternoon. We've got Keegan Maguire on the mound, pitching to Demetrius Santh. Noah Reid at first. Tamatea Mātātai Hiko Smith at second. Kaora Kupa-Nicola at third. Jaden Tapsell at short. Tangaroa King in left field. Will Singer in centre field. And Xavier Haddon in right field.
It is. It's just very quiet in the background.
So Keegan Maguire just getting his first few warm-ups in. Obviously North Harbour played this morning against Canterbury, won that matchup, I believe it was 7-6. Will Singer hit a double home run in the top of the 7th, and Canterbury could not rally from that. Will be a fantastic matchup today. Both of these teams have been playing some great softball. Counties Monaco's bats have just been absolutely on fire. Both these first two here, both Caleb Dufty and Cole McWilliams, have just been outstanding, and we're in for an exciting matchup today between these two Auckland-based teams. So, grand final has begun. Keegan getting his pitch here. Strike to start off. So 0-1 here. Good from Keegan Maguire. Good noise from both these teams. Hold there from Caleb. 1-1. Swings at that one. Will miss though. 1-2. From the blue here. Time called. Pitch is resetting. And good to go again. So 1-2. High there. Keegan not too happy about that, which is fair enough. 2-2. I think it might have just come out a bit wrong for him. Grimacing a little bit on the mound, but time to reset. Another go. Ooh, riser there. Fantastic pitch from the number 1 man for North Harbour. 1 down.
Up to the plate now, Cole McWilliams.
Cole McWilliams now stepping up to the plate, the catcher for this county's team. On deck is Richard Murray Turue and Hunter Bailey in the gate. So 1 down. Good strike there. Just starting to learn the zone. Catcher for counties using that information will be able to use it in defence as well. So getting a bit of advantage for him. Yeah, good leave. 1-1. Connects with it. Ooh, 1 bounce goes over the fence, but it is a foul ball. A good piece of that, probably just a metre inside. Outside, sorry. Just a metre outside. But just showing what Cole McWilliams can do with the bat. He is a dangerous man in the batter's box. 2-2. Does connect with it. It's a better one. It will stay fair. Cole with that base hit will get to first. So very similar to his previous hit that went foul, but obviously stayed fair this time. So he'll be safe at 1. And now we've got Rich coming up. 1 down, runner on 1. On deck will be DP, Hunter Bailey, and Jackson Tabaki. And the gate. Ooh, big swing, no ding there from Richie. 0-1. Do love a good aggressive swing at the first pitch faced. Oh, 2. Pitch comes in, connects with a line drive. We'll take a couple bounces before getting to the centre field. Cole McWilliams is going all the way to third. We'll get there safe. Richard will get to first. So, the lead runner will get to third. Richard will get to first. So, very good opportunity here for the Counties team to take the early lead. DP Hunter Bailey up now with runners on 1 and 3. Counties wanting to take that early lead here, the top of the first. This Counties team can be quiet sometimes, but once they get going, they really get going. Canterbury found that out yesterday in their matchup, and now Counties looking to do the same again. The bunt, but it goes over Thomas' head at second. Runner Cole will get home. Richard's going. He will get home as well. So that is an early 2-0 lead in the top of the first. What a dink there by Hunter Bailey. Kind of put the bunt, split the first base and second base. It kind of went over his head, dropped in front of the, in front of the right fielder, but he will score 2. And Counties will take an early 2-0 lead with Hunter Bailey now on second off that. North Harbour reeling a little bit, need to reset, sort themselves out with 44. Jackson Tabke up now. Another bunt attempted. 0-1 to count. Ooh, connects with it. It's going. Tangaroa King trying to get underneath it. Will take it well. Runner's going to third from second. He will get there safe. So Jackson does do the job. Moves his runner, but will be out. So 2 down here for North Harbour. 1 more to get. Up steps left fielder Presley Martin. So on deck is Makaira Kingy Hicks, Crookkeeper in the gate. Presley Martin here though, wanting to score his teammate. Ooh, wild pitch, but no runner advancing. Got hustled there from Keegan Maguire, help out his catcher. 1-0 the count. Ooh, big swing there, misses it. So Keegan catches up, 1-1. Chris getting his signals from coaches. Swing and miss there. So a low one swung at and a higher one swung at. 1-2. 2 down. North Harbour looking to stem the bleeding here. Ooh, swung there but not caught by the catcher. Will be out at 1. So bottom of the first now, Counties Manukau take first blood. Will have a nice 2-0 lead starting off for them, but going into the bottom of the first, North Harbour with the opportunity to catch up now. So Paora Kupa Nicola up first, Will Singer following him, and then Zach Adkins will be in the gate. So fantastic year for the Counties team, now looking to toughen up on defence and get a quick 3 up, 3 down. So, opportunity here for North Harbour, trying to catch up on this 2-run deficit they find themselves in the bottom of the first. So, first up for the Harbour team will be number 3, Paora Kupa Nicola. On deck will be Will Singer, also known as Moose, and Zach Adkins at the gate. So, Makaira Kingy Hicks pitching here, and number 40, Cole McWilliams, catching for him. So, good start for Makaira. 0-1. Good pitch there. Nice and quick in the zone. 0-2 already for Paora. Needing to catch up now. Does get a piece of it though, just underneath it. Will go foul. Heading the roof. So Paora stays alive. Connects with it, will pop up. Centre fielder's trying to get underneath it. Should be a nice easy one there for Caleb Duffy. No real wind movement out there yet, so good catch there. 1 down, 2 to go for Counties. Up steps the ever dangerous 37 Will Singer. He hit a 2-bomber today against Canterbury to take the win, and then also against Hutt Valley had a walk-off home run. So this man knows what he's doing with the bat in his hands. strike there. 0-1. Does connect with it. A little bit of an early swing. Send it foul. It finds himself now 0-2. Kara nice and in front in the count. Okay, so it will be 1-2 as the catcher did not throw it directly back to the pitcher. Catcher did not throw it back to the pitcher straight away. So 1-2 is the count now for Will. Does connect with that outside pitch. Runners coming in, Caleb Dufty, but the shortstop, number 44, Jackson Tubke, will come across to make that play. Good movement there from him. Catching a bit behind him, so nice safe glove. So now to the plate is the DP, Zach Adkins. The county's coach just wondering why it was that ball, but all sorted. Always good to have some quality communication between them. So now we've got Zach Adkins here. High one there. So 2 down, 1-0 the count. Change up there, won't hit the zone, so 2-0 for the pitcher. Ooh, just outside there, trying to find the edge of that zone is McIra. And now Zach Atkins, 3-0, wants to get on base here. Good, there finds that outside zone. So 3-1. Three-two now. McIra doing well to catch back up here. And he will walk. So low one there. Great eye from the DP. Will walk to first on a 4-2 count. Now to the plate will be Xavier Haddon, number 9. So Xavier up here. 2 down, runner on 1 though. Swing. So 0-1 here for Xavier Haddon. Ball in the dirt, no movement on the first base. 1-1 count. Good hit, will just fall to the shortstop, but not the best throw. Zach Adkins will get to third. So shortstop came across, the hit beat the third baseman, but shortstop goes to his right, gets the play, throws it over to second, but it's a very low throw, so it will skip past the second baseman who came across, and Zach Adkins gets a free one there. Will go to third. So now Tangaroa King up to the plate. He's got runners on third and first. Still 2 down. Counties need to get out here without allowing a run. Low one, 1-0. Xavier looking to steal second. He does have some wheels on him. is quick between the bases. Ooh, high riser there. Tangaroa will swing, so 1-1. Oh, 1, Xavier had it going for it. Will be safe on second. So good steal there. Was a close call. Great throw by Cole McWilliams, but I think wasn't much they could do because they needed Xavier to be a little bit slower, but he's moving quickly. 2-1 the count. Trying to find the top right of the zone, failed to find it. So Kingy Hicks here has a 3-1 count on Tangaroa King. Nice and patient here from number 25 in the batter's box. Kaira looking to pull out a good pitch here. Ooh, there's a good pitch. 3-1 count, maybe could have had a swing. So now we have a full count, 2 outs down, one is on third and second. Something's got to give here between these two. Ooh, swing does get a piece of it though. Was close. So again, back to it, foul ball there, goes over the backstop into the roof of the building. And again, Tangaroa King facing Nakaira Kingy Hicks. Does connect with that, will bounce right before the second baseman throws over to 1. They'll make that routine play. So, counties do well not to allow any runs by North Harbour, and now going into the top of the second, counties with that 2-0 lead. Next 3 up for counties will be Makaira Kingy Hicks, Kori Kipa and Tamihana Star. So first up for counties in the top of the second here will be the pitcher, Makaira Kingy Hicks. On deck will be 41, Kori Kipa, and then Tamihana Star in the gate. Keegan Maguire pitching here to the other pitcher. Nice pitcher v pitcher battle. Ooh. 0-1 the count here now. So always love a good pitcher v pitcher matchup. Always leads to a bit of a battle, knowing the zone quite well, each of them. Kairo's got some strength behind him to send that ball flying. But finds himself in an 0-2 hole. Needs to find a way out. Try to get back ahead. Reaches for that one, will go to third baseman. He'll fail to pick it up, so Makaira will get to first. Number 3, Paola Kubanikola tried to collect it, but unable to pick it up in his glove, which allows Makaira to get to first. So fantastic start to this top of the second for Counties. And now to the plate, number 41, Kori Kipa. Puts bunt down, good bunt. First baseman steps up to it, they'll get the out at 1. But he does his job and advances that runner to second. So fantastic sack bunt there by Counties. Advance the run at 2-2. And now we've got Tamihana Star up now. On deck will be Caleb Dufty. Ooh. Swung at that one. Maybe we might see a little bit of small ball here from Counties, see if they can get that runner around. But we will see. Ooh. Off that wild pitch. Righto will get to third. So 1-1 here. I think it just slipped out of the fingers of Keegan. Keeps checking his hand. Hopefully he's all good. It didn't impact him or anything. Ooh, there's a better pitch there from Keegan. Good strike. 1-2 here for tail end of the order. He's got a runner on third. Only one out down. 1-2 count. There's a good pitch. Ooh. Called a ball. 2-2. Thought that might have hit the top of the zone. Ooh, gets underneath it, will go over the dugout of Counties. Staying alive here in the batter's box. Ooh, connects with it. We'll go straight to the first baseman. Throws over the 2. He'll get the outside. Fantastic double play there. The first baseman collecting that, getting it out, throwing it into the catcher, who makes the play on Makaira, Kingi Hicks. So double play there, gets North Harbour out of their defending and onto their batting side. So, what a little change up there. Bit of good defense from the North Harbour team. Now to the bottom of the second, Jaden Tapsell, Demetrius Santh, and then Noah Reid will be the first 3 up for North Harbour. So, bottom of the second, County still holding on to that 2-0 lead. Got a defender here in the bottom of the second. And so first up for North Harbour will be Jaden Tapsell, the shortstop for the team in maroon. So far it has been as advertised here between these two. Some good pitching, good hitting, and exciting to see the rest of this game. So Jaden Tipsel now to the batter's box, facing Makaira Kingi Hicks. First pitch is a strike, more or less down the middle. Didn't carry far enough, bouncing well before the batter. 1-1. So wind's picking up a little bit. It's blowing to third base side. Another low one. Good eye here from the shortstop. 3-1 here. 3-1. So free base here for number 13 on a 4-1 count. So stepping up to the plate now is number 30, Demetrius Santh. He's also had a good tournament, providing hits when North Harbour need it most. So here now for the team, hoping to advance their runner on first. Show and bunt will be a ball. Strike there, 1-1. Sean Bunt pops up, catches underneath it, will be out. So too much underneath the ball. Pops up, nice simple catch there for Cole McWilliams. And now 33, Noah Reid, the first baseman. Just made a great play on defense. Now looking to continue it with the bat in his hands. Connects with it, pops up. Oh, Makairo misses that catch, and the runners will get a free base. So pitcher decided to get underneath it instead of the second baseman, and he misses the catch, just pops out of his glove. So North Harbour get a bit of a lifeline there. One out, down. Now runners on second and first for that. Up steps Tamatea Matatai Hiko Smith. So runners on a 1 and 2. One out, down. Counties need some solid defence here to prevent anything. Strike to start. Bunt showing. 1. Good eye here from Tama, 2-1. Ooh, caught a strike, 2-2. Oh, pitch comes in, connects with it. Two here for Tama. Ooh, gets a piece of it. Will be a foul. Hits him while he's in the box, so he's fine. So managing to stay alive here. It's probably North Harbour's best opportunity to try tie the ball game here. Ooh, well pitched there. Runners will advance. So ball in the dirt allows the runners to get to third and second. So North Harbour now with great position to tie this ball game up with a solid hit. 3-2 here, 1 out down. Ball in the dirt. They'll get the tag on the lead. So not sure there for North Harbour, but they give up that lead runner there. So it wasn't fully taken by Cole McWilliams, but runner went for it, he collected it, and the easiest tag of his life probably. So now North Harbour only have runners on 1 and 2. 2 outs down. So North Harbour will definitely want that one back, but Paola, Cooper, Nicola up now. High 1. 1-0. Swings at that lower 1. 1-1. High 1. 2-1. Does connect with that, will bounce right before the left fielder. Runner gets round third, will get home. So good running there from Noah Reid, and a great hit by number 3, Holder. So that makes it a 2-1 ball game. Runners now on 2 and 1 again. Now we've got number 37, Will Singer, to the plate. Moose, as he is affectionately called by his teammates. Still 2 down here. Counties want to get out of this. Ooh, good little change up there from Makata. North Harbour dugout getting nice and loud for their team. Trying to find that outside zone again. 1-1. Outside zone searching again. 2-1.
Shouldn't be in here. It's on 76. Never with a head top. Different white one there.
Ooh. No swing there, so it will be a ball. Fortunate call there for Will Singer. 3-1. Ooh, will be a strike. It was over the plate. On the pitch, not the swing. So full count here for Will Singer. Runners on 1 and 2. 3-2 count. 2 outs down. North Harbour have got a run in this innings. 2-1 the ball game. Ooh, missed swing there by Will Singer. Definitely will want that one back. So North Harbour don't tie it, but they do get one back. So 2-1 going into the top of the third. And next 3 up will be Caleb Dufty, Cole McWilliams and Richard Mārī Te Rue. So Caleb Dufty, the lead off hitter here for Counties, looking to get it going again. 2-1 is the count, top of the third. On deck, Cole McWilliams and Richard Mārī Te Rue in the gate. 1-0. Connects with that one, it's up and high. Centre fielder's Will Singer's trying to get underneath it, and we'll do a nice routine catch for him. And 1 down already. 2 to go. Up steps to catch it, Cole McWilliams.
Caleb Dufty flies out to centre field. 1 down at the plate we have Cole McWilliams.
Ball there. Good, all right. Strike there, 1-1. There's a long at bat there for North Harbour, so Keegan McGuire having a bit of a rest in between. Another high one there. Good eye so far from the catcher. 2-1. Connects with it. That's going. That's going. That is well gone over the secondary fence. What an absolute bomb from Cole McWilliams. Gets every bit of the ball. And Counties take a 3-1 lead. What a smack from the catcher. Whew. So now 21, Richard Murray Terui up next.
Up to the plate now, Richard Murray Terure.
Connects that. Oh, great play by the shortstop. Diving to his right, makes the catch in his glove, holds on to it. Excellent there from Jaden Tapsell. And now Hunter Bailey, the DP, to the plate.
DP Hunter Bailey.
So 2 down, sorry. Ball to start. Good connection, but we'll go to the third baseman. Some wheels on 42, but there's not much we can do. It's good field and throw by the third baseman. And that will be third one down, going into the bottom of the third. Next 3 up will be Zach Adkins, the DP, Xavier Haddon, and Tangaroa King. So first up here is 29, Zach Adkins. DP. Ooh, hit in the back of the shoulder. So free base to start off for Harbour. Eats the pitch there. He's all good. Hit him in the meat of the back, so maybe just a bit of a stinger. But we love good on base percentage. So now Xavier Haddon to the plate, number 9. He's got some wheels and he's got some hits. So have to be careful of him. Ooh. 0-1 off that foul. Tangaroa King on deck and Jaden Tapsell in the gate. Bunt put down, will go foul. 0-2. Count for Xavier. Ooh, struck out there. Great pitch by Makaira Kingy Higgs to get the batter out. So 1 down, 2 to go for Counties, and North Harbour have that run on first. Up steps Tangaroa King. There to do some damage with the bat. Piece of it, powered off. Pitch comes in, wide and outside. 1-1. Tangaroa catching up. Having a good day on the mound. It's got some good pitches coming out. And now we have got a 1-2 count. Tangaroa King sticking in there. Ooh, high one. Maybe it slipped out the hand a bit. Cole McWilliams doing well to keep that from going past him. 2-2 here for the left fielder. Hits it, will beat the second baseman. Tangaroa King will get to first, and Zach Atkins moves on to second. So nice there from Tangaroa King. And now to the plate, the shortstop, number 13, Jaden Tapsell. So only 1 down, runners on first and second. North Harbour staying dangerous here. Not going down easily.
Just getting way too high.
Ooh, tough one there. 1-0. One here. So North Harbour coach just checking something here. So bringing in a pinch runner, so number 8, Wairangi Hoani will come in for Zach Adkins. So pinch runner in for North Harbour. It's a good decision. It is pretty warm out there. I think we were sitting at 31 before. 32 now. 32 degrees here in Canterbury at the ballpark, so best temperature to be out there in catcher's gear, but yeah, doing it well today. 2-1, runners on second and first here, so pinch runner came in for North Harbour. Wairangi Hoani subbed in there in replacement of Zach Adkins. Potentially we might see Zach come in as a relief pitcher for Keegan. That's what happened in the Canterbury game. Higher one there. 3-1. Ball in the dirt will hit the base. Runners will get to advance. Overthrow by Cole McWilliams. So runner will get home. Oh, that's so rare mistake there from Cole McWilliams. Overthrows his third man on third base. We'll go over him and runner will score, which makes it a 3-2 ball game now. So was a ball, hit the mound, bounced over Cole McWilliams' head. Runners do advance on that one. And then Cole McWilliams trying to get it out at 3, but overthrows it. So Demetrius Samph stepping up to the plate. Runners on 1 and 2. North Harbour regain 1. And the catcher here has a strike to start, but still 2 outs remaining for this North Harbour team. Caught up 1 run, looking to find another here. 1-1. Gets underneath it. Will pop up. Hit the roof. So 1-2 the count here for the catcher Demetrius. Ball in the dirt. Carter needs to get some good pitches in here. Counties want to get out of this, hold on to their lead, but right now Harbour is knocking on the door. 2-2 the count here for the catcher. Connects with it, but will hit it into his own leg. So 2-2. Ooh, swing and miss. So North Harbour lose 1 there. Counties getting the out. So 33, Noah Reid, first baseman, up to the batter's box. He's got runners on second and first. Good base hit, should score 1 and tie the ball game up. Strike down the middle to start. Does connect with it, will go straight to the shortstop. They'll get the out at second. And North Harbour fail to find that tying run, and Counties prevent them. So, top of the 4th now between these two teams in the grand final. Counties with that 3-2 lead. Next 3 up for Counties will be Jackson Tapaki, Presley Martin, and then Makaira Kingi Hick. So first up for Counties will be Jackson Tapaki, the shortstop, number 44 on deck, Presley Martin, and 67, Makaira Kingi Hicks in the gate. So top of the fourth here, Counties still have a slim 1-run lead. Good start here for Keegan Maguire. 0-1. One there, 1-1. Low one, 2-1. Higher one there, 3-1. Good eye so far from number 44. Three, 1 here for the shortstop. Ooh, low call there. Could have honestly gone either way. And he will walk to first on that 4-1 count. Up steps left fielder number 6, Presley Martin. So, low one, 1-0. So, 2-0 the count now. Good strike. Ooh, not the best throw from the catcher. So that will get the runner to second. So looked like Jackson was trying to steal. So catcher did throw it over, but was to the left of the first baseman. It hit the base and just went along. So runner will get second base for free on, I believe, a 3-0 count. Oh, sorry, a 2-1 count. Ooh, was a swing, hits off the catcher. Runner will get to third on that. So good awareness from here from number 44, Jackson Tapaki. 2-2 here for Presley. Two for Martin. Next with it, it's going up. Centre fielder's trying to get underneath it. He is laying it up. Will take the catch. Jackson Tapaki will get home nice and safe. So one down, but they score one, add to their lead. So it's now a 4-2 ball game. Top of the fourth. Up now, number 67, Makaira Kingi Hicks. So one down, 2 to go for North Harbour. Pitch comes in, gets a piece of it. 0-1. Good healthy cut there from Makaira. So Yeah, we do see for North Harbour, Zach Adkins starting to warm up. Ooh, quarter strike, so 0-2 here. Keegan, nice and ahead. Good hold there. 1-2. Oh, a low pitch. Just sneaks past the catcher there. No one on base though, so no movement. 2-2. 41 on deck. So Harbour just keep finding themselves in behind. So coach just checking count. Now talking to the third base umpire. Not sure what count he is looking for, but it is a 2-2 count here for Makita. All smiles though. Bit of banter to the North Harbour bench though. Good to see it. Carter here, 2-2 count in the pitch battle. Yeah, it is low. Keegan thought he had him there. 3-2, what you gonna do? Which comes in, does connect with that, will go straight to the second baseman, goes over to one, get the out. So hit the ground, did take a lot of speed off, so nice easy play there for Tama. Now 41 to the plate. Carney's Monaco up by 2 now. Corey Kipper up now. Strike there to start, 0-1. Connects with it, that is up. Wilson is trying to get underneath it, will come to it. Nice catch. Just not enough Vegemite on that hit, but looked good. Went nice and high, but wind didn't affect it much. So nice and routine there for Will Singer. And now going into the bottom of the fourth, we will have Tamatea Mātātai, Hiko Smith, Paora Cooper Nicola, and then Will Singer, the next 3 up for the North Harbour team. Heading about halfway here. Both teams had some good softball played. North Harbour doing their job, but believe that we're going to see Zach Adkins in the top of the 5th here for North Harbour, but we will see. So County's coming out on defence now, and we'll see at the start of the bottom. So we will have a couple of changes here. Looks like Tamatea Matata Higo Smith has come out, and we've got number 1 Jackson Gerbies either pinch hitting or replacing. We will find out obviously on defence for North Harbour, but new batter here. He had a great triple against Canterbury early today when he pinch hit, and now looking to do the same for this North Harbour team in the bottom of the 4th. 0-1. Ooh, foul, does come back and hit the blue. It's just walking it off. Should be okay, but going for a wee walk. Maybe just inside of the leg there. So 0-2 the count here off that foul ball hit. Ooh, high one there. Good eye there from Jackson. 1-2 the count here for the pinch hitter. Connects with it, it's going. Centre fielder sets up for it and will make that easy catch. So 1 down, 2 to go for counties here in the bottom of the 4th. So Paora Cooper Nicola up here, the top of the order, followed by Will Singer, and then Zach Adkins will be next. Low one there to start. Uh, 2-0. Connects with it, will go straight to the shortstop, throws it over. Oh, great take there by 37. But as he was jumping up the air to take it, MΑORI with the wheels gets to first. So it was a good take by the shortstop, but it was a high throw. 37, Tamihana Star making a leaping grab for it, right at the apex of his jump, but unfortunately did not have his foot on the bag. So will be safe there for MAORI.
Nice. It's the next frame, but of course I didn't get that. Yeah, it's that one after, because then you would see. The thing is, he hit his step. Yeah.
So Counties coach just talking with the first base umpire, just double checking on that call is safe. So good running there by the lead off. And now number 29, Zach Adkins to the plate. Sorry, Will Singer does connect with that higher one, will roll out to centre field. He will get to first base and runner will advance to second. So great hit there from Will Singer. Runners on 1 and 2, 1 down. Up steps the DP, Zach Adkins. Will Singer's having a fantastic tournament with the bat. He's only, I want to say, struck out a handful of times, if that. Counties just having a wee chit chat with the infield, make sure they're all on the same page. They have 2 outs to get here, but don't want to allow anything for North Harbour. 1-0 to start. Swing and a miss there from Ed. So 1-1 here for the DP. Bouncing ball. McIra not happy about that one, which is fair enough. 2-1. She is still a warm day here in Christchurch. 2-1. 3-1 now. Good eye here from the DP. Connects with it, will go straight to the third baseman who'll get the tag on third base. And then excellent throw over to first, so fantastic double play there for Counties. Will get North Harbour out and still holding on to that lead as Counties. They haven't let go of it yet, have led the whole game. So 4-2 remains the score going to the top of the fifth here in this grand final on the final day of the tournament. The next three up will be, I believe, will be Caleb Duffy, Cole McWilliams and Richard Murray Terue. So 37 will be up first, Tamihana Star, and then Caleb Duffy, and then Cole McWilliams. So we will see a pitching change here for North Harbour. The DP Zach Adkins will come in replacement of Keegan Maguire. We did kind of see the end of that when they were coming out of the top of the last inning. And Zach Adkins will be pitching now. Similar setup for when North Harbour played Canterbury. About halfway through they switched pitches, and they've got two fantastic pitches, so will be tough for this Counties team, but just have to hold on to that lead. They'll win this grand final. So first up here is number 37, Tamihana Star. Ball to start here, so pitching change again for North Harbour. Zach Atkins, who has been the DP for North Harbour, will come in. Good connection there, but will fall straight to the second baseman, and easy throw over to one for the first out at the top of the fifth. So now we'll be back to the top of the order for counties with Caleb Dufty up and Cole McWilliams on deck. So lead-off hitter here for counties. Connects with it, will go straight to the third baseman, who does collect it, will be out at one. So good speed there from Caleb, but will not make it there. It's good glove there by Paola Cooper Nicola. He's done well to collect most of those that have fallen to him. And now 2 down, 1 to go. Cole McWilliams, last at bat, hit a bomb over both of the fences, not just the first fence, the second fence. So facing a new pitcher here though. And a good ball to start. Big swing, no dink. Another swing there. Cole feeling himself, wanting to swing at these pitches, but good so far from Zach Atkins. 1-2 the count. Ooh, inside 2-2. Does swing of that, pops up, will go over the stands. So lifeline given there for Cole. 2-2. Connects with it, will go straight to hold it, and we'll throw over to one. So very quick, 3 up, 3 down for North Harbour there. Moving through it quick. So now they've got to get going with their bats. They're still behind by 2, so need to have something here, but they are dangerous and can turn it around in only a couple of batters. So we will see the next 3 up for North Harbour will be Xavier Haddon, Tangaroa King and Jaden Tapsell. So we've got Xavier Haddon up first for North Harbour. Bounces before him. 1-0. Gets a piece of it. Well caught there by Cole. 1-1. Gets a piece of it. 1-2 here for Xavier. Pops that one, goes up. Will just hit the roof of the dugout, so Counties Manukau trying to get hold of it, but unfortunately won't be able to as it hits the dugout of North Harbour. Got the ball back, now ready to get going. Ball in the dirt, 2-2. So you got to wonder if there's going to be a pitching change for Counties. North Harbour have changed over the pitches, but we'll see if Counties stick with their man on the mound here. Low 1-2, good eyes here from number 9. Does connect with it, it pops up nice and high. Left fielder's getting underneath it and will take it. Good take there by Presley Martin. 1 down, 2 to go for Counties. So up steps 25, Tangaroa King.
I've got it here if you want to look at it.
Swings, gets a touch on it. So 0-1 here for King. So good pitch there. Oh, 2. Swing and a miss from Tangaroa King. So another one down for Counties. Number 13 now, Jaden Tapsell to the plate. Ooh, a good pitch there from Makara. Finding a good rally here from the pitcher. Connects with it, we'll go straight to the shortstop, but we'll beat him. We'll roll out to the left fielder, Presley Martin. So 13, Jaden Tapsell gets on base. Still 2 down. Now the catcher, Demetrius Sant up next. So, runner on 1, 2 down here. Bottom of the 5th. Harbour running out of opportunities here. Strike start, good pitch there from Makaira. 1-1, good hold there from the catcher. Ooh, gets a piece of it. 1-2. Bottom of the 5th here. 2 outs down. They need a good pitch here from Makaira. Might see his change up here. Trying to catch Demetrius. Good hold there. 2-2. Oh, and it goes outside. So now Demetrius doing well here. Recovers to a 3-2 count for the catcher. He's got a runner on 1, 2 down, bottom of the 5th. North Harbour still behind. Oh, and great eye from the catcher. He will walk to first, which in hand advances a runner at first to 2. So time called here. Temp runner coming in for the catcher. So 2 down catcher rule. We'll see Tangaroa King come in to run for Demetrius. So North Harbour, going time, just chit-chatting with his batters, make sure they understand what needs to happen. Obviously, only 2 more innings after this for North Harbour to try to get past counties. Good strike there for Makaira. 0-1 the count. Runners on 1 and 2. Swings at that, will go straight to the second baseman, who will throw it over to second. Shortstop comes across, they'll get the out. So top of the 6th, still counties holding on to that 4-2 lead. It's getting close. So the next 3 up for counties will be Richard Murray Terui, Hunter Bailey and Jackson Tapaki. So we've got Rich Murray Turu up first for Counties, and then still pitching for North Harbour is Zach Adkins. He did start the game as the DP and came in, I believe, in the top of the fifth for Keegan Maguire. So Rich up here now, top of the sixth. Counties looking to increase their lead, create more of a mountain for North Harbour to climb. 1-0. Connects with it, will go straight to the third baseman, throws over to one, makes the play. Third baseman, Paora Cooper Nicola, seeing a lot of the ball here. A lot of these hits are going straight to him. I think he's made an error on one of them. The rest he is just collected and flinged over to first base. Very efficient here today from him. So one down already, and up steps Hunter Bailey, the DP. Strike there, a bit of a change up from Adkins. So Blue just asking one of the North Harbour kids just to get a bit more in the dugout, had his hands and a ball out. High one swung out there, so now 0-2. Zach with a few balls to play with here. Hunter Bailey behind in the count. On deck is 44 Jackson Tupke, and then President Martin in the gate for Counties. So quick first one there. Ooh, connects with it, but will pop up. Go over the dugout of Counties. Bit of a late swing, but very happy he did, because he would have been struck out. Swings at that riser. Definitely will want that one back. So Hunter Bailey goes down, and now Jackson Tupke up next. Top of the sixth here. 2 down already. North Harbour get a quick first 2. We're going to get a quick third. Ooh, strike to start off, 0-1. Swings at the second one, 0-2. So Zach Adkins showing Counties what he's made of here. Swings at it, Wall just carried to third base. Great throw over. Holder having a fantastic game here at third base. A quick 3 up, 3 down. And now North Harbour have a job to do with the bat. Next 3 up will be Tamatea Matatai, Hiko Smith, Paora Cooper Nicola, and Will Singer. So first up for North Harbour will be Tail End here, Tamatea, Mātātai Hiko Smith. Paora Kupa Nicola will be on deck. Bottom of the second here, North Harbour. North Harbour are running out of opportunities to convert here. Still behind by 2. Counties holding on to this lead. Swing and a miss there from Tama. Quite pulling out his best tricks. Oh, good connection, but goes straight to the second baseman who makes a routine catch. So 1 down here, 2 to go for Counties. Getting into these final few here. Bottom of the 6th, 1 down. Back to the top of the order here, number 3, Paora Kupa Kola. Connects with that real well, but won't get enough on it. Caleb Duffy makes the easy catch. So 2 down. Up the steps, Will Singer. Potentially his last at bat of the day. So moves to the plate, as he's so called by his teammates. He's hit a few home runs on this diamond, most recently against Canterbury in the 7th inning. Good eye. 1-0. Ball in dirt, 1-1. Connects with that, will go foul. Two on the count. Connects with it, will beat the second baseman, and Will Singer will get on first. So with 2 outs down, Will Singer on base 1. Up steps 29, Zach Adkins. Came into relief pitch for Keegan Maguire. Connects with it, will go straight to the second baseman again. And great catch there. So top of the 7th now in the final innings. Counties lead 4-2. The next 3 up for Counties will be Presley Martin, Makaira, Kingi, Hicks and Corey Kipa. So, top of the 7th now. This is it for both teams. Grizzly Martin first up for Counties. Zach Adkins pitching here. So, Counties getting up nice and loud with this last gasp effort to increase their lead. Ooh, a big swing from Grizzly does not connect. Good cut there. Will be an 0-2 count. Couple balls to play with here for Zach Adkins. Grizzly behind. Ooh, swings at that low one, not fully collected by the catcher, but nice, easy throw over to one. So, first one down, 2 more to get for Harbour. Now, the pitcher, 67, Makaira Kingi Hicks up next. So good pitch to start for Zach. Pitcher v pitcher here. Ooh, good change up there. Kara probably 1-2 swing at that one. Ball in dirt. 1-2. So we'll have a pinch hitter coming in as well. Valen Tapaki on deck instead of Corey Kepa. Good connection with that. Couple bounces will get to the left fielder. Makaira's gone for second. Wasn't fully collected there by the left fielder and using his wheels. It's all the way to 2. County's calling for a runner for Makaira. Looks like Lucas Gibbons, number 11, will be coming in. Fantastic hit there by the pitcher, just going out to left field. Wasn't fully collected by Tangaroa King, which allowed Makaira to just stretch those legs and get to second. So 11, Lucas Gibbons into pinch run, and now we also have Valen Tapaki here in replacement of Corey Kepa. So 1 down, runner on second here. So up comes a fresh hitter here for Counties. Ooh, watch out, coach. Just missed the first base coach there. Good movement. Get out of the way. Oh, 1 the count. Ball on the dirt, but no advance on bases. 1-1. One, two. Good pitch there by Zach. Struck out. Good pitching there. So 2 down. 1 to go. To the plate now is Tamihana Star for Counties. Coach giving his runner some information. Two down. Run on second. Top of the seventh. Strike there. Change up there, 1-1. Ooh, just missing the outside zone against the left-hander. 2-1 here. Good patience from number 37. So Blue just double checking with his first base umpire, but it's just as warm for him and all that padding and gear, so he's doing well out there. Oh, good strike there, 2-2. So Zach Atkins here needs to do a job, get this last batter out, so North Harbour can try to score these 2 runs. Does connect with it. Oh, will be the first baseman. Runner's gone around. Will get to home and runner will get to second. So that hit. The first baseman got his glove to it, but just hit the top of the fingers there. So got past him. So Counties add an extra one on, making it 3 runs to get. Now, and the running from Tamihana will get him to second. So great hit there by the Counties player. And now, top of the order. Top of the order here, 34, Caleb Dufty. 5-2. Oh, what a hit. Goes to the left, couple bounces will hit the back fence, pop up. Runner will get home. Caleb Dufty gets down and will get to third. So Counties adding it on here. 6-2 now off that hit from Dufty. Catch a call in time here. Harbour need to reset. 2 good hits with 2 outs down. North Harbour coach coming out to the mound to talk to his infield. And now the ever dangerous Cole McWilliams will be coming up to the plate. Has already hit a bomb this game. So, with a runner on third, Cole McWilliams steps up to the plate. Ooh, gets underneath it. 0-1. Change up there, but bounces well before Cole, so it will be a 1-1 count. So Counties finding 2 runs here in the top of the 7th to increase their lead to 4. So 6-2 is the score. Runner on third, 2 outs down. Ooh, big swing there from Cole McWilliams, but does not connect. So now 1-2 here, 2 down, runner on third. 2-2. pitch there from Zach. We'll get the strike. And North Harbour fans, get your rally caps on. Bottom of the 7th. You are down by 4. 4 runs ties it. 5 runs wins it. Going down to the wire here for this grand final. The next 3 up for North Harbour will be Xavier Haddon, Tangaroa King, and Jaden Tapsell. This is going to be a great bottom of the 7th. Both teams will be pulling it all out here, trying to go for this win. Harbour, though, a mountain to climb here. Got to start with the first one, so just focus on getting him on a base. Do just want to give a shout out to all our watchers, wherever you're watching from, all around New Zealand and hopefully international as well, whether you're watching it on your phone, on your TV or wherever. We appreciate the viewership. It's been a great weekend here so far down in Canterbury. Just final bottom of the 7th to play. Maybe we'll get some extra, we'll see, but it's been a great tournament here hosted by the Canterbury region, and looking forward to seeing the winner here. So, this is it. Bottom of the 7th will be Xavier Haddon up first for North Harbour. They have already rallied from behind this tournament, beating Hutt Valley with a walk-off home run. So, it should be a great ending to this fantastic final. So, ready to go for the bottom of the 7th. North Harbour down by 4 runs. 1-0 here for Xavier. One. Last there by Xavier. Obviously, very high pressure situation for all the players. Just wanted to reset, get back in the zone, get going. 1-1. Tough one there, 1-2. That outside zone has been pretty consistent. Ooh, does connect with that, hits low in the bat. Second baseman, Hunter Bailey, underneath it, gets the first one. So, 1 down, 2 to go for counties. North Harbour running out of lifelines. So, now we're going to see a pinch hitter come in. So, number 34, Morgan Natana Leongi. So, first at bat in the game, coming in for Tangaroa King. 0-1 to start here. Kaira Kingy Hicks. Fantastic here at the death. Ooh. Tough call, 1-1. North Harbour need a rally here. Ooh, there's your strike. 1-2 here for Morgan. It's been pinch hitter here for Tangaroa King. inside there. 2-2. All coming down to these last few pitches for Makata Kingi Hicks. Morgan does connect with it. It's going to drop in front of the left fielder, and he's going to get on base. So good for North Harbour. He is on first off that hit, and now we have got Jaden Tapsell, the shortstop, to the batter's box. It's good for North Harbour. Got to start by getting one on, then go from there. Still 2 to get for Counties. 0-1. Jaden just asking where it is, and that was the corner, confirmed by Blue. Ooh, low swing there. Now 0-2. Cardi ahead here. Can play with the batter a little bit. 0-2. Or connects with it. Will just go foul. Nearly stayed fair. Was the right one to swing at. Was come down the middle. Good stick though from Jaden. Oh, connects with that. It's going out to the left fielder, Presley Martin, getting underneath it, but it'll drop right before him. So Morgan will make the second, and off that, suddenly North Harbour runners on 1 and 2. Presley Martin trying to come into that, but will drop right before his glove. I think the wind took it a little bit, just made it a bit more difficult, and now number 30, Demetrius Sanf, will be stepping up to the plate. Runners now on first and second. Bit of a rally here for the North Harbour team. Going well so far. 1 out, 2 left to play with. I've got 33, no read on deck. Oh, 1. There's that outside zone. Ooh. 0-2. North Harbour trying to get something here. Need to score at least 4. So far gone the right way about it. Getting runners on base. Two, 1-2. McCarty looking for that outside zone. It just missed bottom corner. Good eye from the catcher. Is a strike. He struck out. So, bit of confusion there, but 2 down. 1 life remaining here for North Harbour. Up here, Noah Reid, the first baseman. This is it. Counties need 1 out to win the national game, the grand final of this U19 national championship. Ooh, high one there, not held by Cole McWilliams. Runners will get forward 1. So, 1-0. Makari does tap his chest, showing it was him with that one. Cole McWilliams doing well just to even get a glove to that. So, positive start for North Harbour there with their last out. 33 looking to score his teammates. Connects with it. It's going to go to the right of the right fielder. Will go foul. If it was going to be fair though, it would have been caught. So 1-1.
Put him on base. Put him on base. Time we get to walk.
So 1-1 here for Noah. Connects with it, it's going to go out to Presley Martin. It's going to stay fair. So one's going to get home, two's going to get home. He's running for third. He's going to get down. Triple there from Noah Reid. Just stayed fair out in the back left corner of the diamond. So suddenly now, North Harbour only find themselves down by 2. They've got a runner on third and Tamatea up here. So very tail end of the order. If he can get on a base, then you've got Paola, Will, Zach. Top 3 will be up after that. So they need patience here from Tamatea. Need him to get on base in order to make this a ball game.
Let's go, Tama.
So North Harbour not going down without a fight here. We love to see it. Getting some good drama here in the bottom of the 7th. North Harbour getting 2 runs, so 6-4. Good start for McIra. 0-1 for him. Tama getting his iron. It's a high pressure situation for all. Yep, there you go. 0-2. McIra doing his job here. One more pitch will win this national championship. 0-2. Tama has to be patient. Pitch coming in. High one there. Good eye from Tama. 1-2. Tama can get to first, and we're looking at top of the order for North Harbour. So just need a little something special from number 5. Ooh, stays alive. Good one to swing out there. Just gets underneath it and cuts it. Stays alive. 1-2. Counties need everything from McIra here. Couple of pitches and he's done. They will be winners. 1-2. 2 down. Runner on third. Swing and a miss. Counties Manukau win the national championship on that. Fantastic there, the death. And Counties win it 6-4. Congratulations to the side. They had a great tournament, winning the 1-1 matchup, going straight to the grand final and leading the whole way. Unfortunate there for North Harbour. Do have a rally late in the 7th, but unable to get it done. Congratulations to both teams. It was a great final. It's what we want to see no matter what. And it went down to the very last pitch. So congratulations to the Counties team, to the players, to the management, to the coaches. Fantastic there. So we'll have our presentations here afterwards, but what a game. What a weekend here all around. Thank you to all that watch, wherever you are, whatever you're watching on, for your support, and I'm sure these boys appreciate it immensely. Thank you here from Canterbury Softball. And we'll